Hey everyone, Mark here with Nightingale University, and today we're going to look at the motion and movement of our MXO, which is part of our XO collection, part of our XO family. And like every XO chair, this comes with Enersorb seat cushioning, Ablex memory mesh for the back support, and the real design and genius of this chair, it was designed for the clutter of the boardroom across the nation. The individual that really is going to love this chair is the last person out of the boardroom, because they're not going to have to go around adjusting arms and resetting to height and tidying up the boardroom look. This chair has two distinctive movements to it, and I'm going to show you them right now. On the right side of your MXO, you're going to find a paddle or a lever. That is your gas lift. Okay? And so as you go into a meeting, you're going to face the speaker, lower your chair for your comfort level, and listen to the presentation. When he or she is finished, you're going to exit your chair, because this is a sit, listen, and go chair. The sit, listen, and go MXO. Now watch what happens when I exit the chair. Now you all could see how that automatically rose back up. That's auto lift. And at the same time it returned to face its original position. Auto return. Now folks, again, the genius of the design of this chair is at the top height of the arm, when it's fully raised back up, is 28 inches off the ground. Your standard boardroom, conference room, any working desk really, is set to be 29 inches above the ground. So you can see how that easily fits underneath your standard table height. It alleviates the bump and grind that not only makes the edge of the conference table look messy, but also your arms. That doesn't happen with this chair. And so this is your go-to meeting chair, the MXO from Nightingale. And if you'd like to know more, please visit us at nightingalechairs.com.